Great looking area. We'll go down there, see what we can see, eh? Okay, we've got to work out what we're going to use today. The one that I really wanted to use I haven't got, but today, instead of a spinner, I'm going to put one of these soft bait things on. These were given to me by someone, and I'll give them a go. I haven't tried them yet, so we'll give it a go and just see how they go. Okay, we'll tie this on. I've threaded it through those two loops. I'm just going to twist it around roughly about 6 times and then poke that through. Whether or not this is going to work, I do not know, but we'll soon find out. Pull that up, and I'll just choke it back in the other loop from the top. Don't know whether you can see that, but okay, so there we go. Yeah, but it's a one hooked thing. It's tied on there. I'll trim this excess stuff off, and it's probably not the best lure, but we'll give it a go and just see how we get on. Okay, that looks like a promising place. We'll go down there and cast it out and just see how we get on. Okay, we caught one, nice little rainbow. Yeah, so he'll go down well. I'm going to take him home, I'm going to eat him. But yeah, no, he's a good sized little trout. Okay, well, carry on.